What is the role of a leader as a motivator? Now, a leader is powerful due to two reasons. There are two possibilities. One, that leader has his position, and because of the position he is in power. Second is ascribed power. Ascribed power means people love the leader and they grant him power. The leader gains the power. The leader earns the power. So that is the power which mostly is expected of the leaders today. The other leadership is gone. That's dead and gone. Those are the qualities which continued for a long time, but it is enough. There are 5 qualities of a motivational leader which are important. 1. A motivational leader must have a vision. 2. He should have the integrity, unquestionable integrity. 3. He should be courageous. Courage is absolutely important for the leader. 4. He should be realistic. His feet should be grounded. 5. Responsibility is something which is critical to a leader. So he should be responsible not only for his decisions and his actions, but also of the actions and decisions of his team members, because he is the leader. First of all, let's talk about vision. Leader with a vision will be able to have clarity in goals, clarity in what he is going to do or she is going to do. The followers will not have. In fact, it is leader's duty to make the followers known of what he is and what he wants and how he wants. Number 2, ability to see the big picture. That also is a quality of the leader. A leader can see the big picture. Best motivational dictum or motivational vision for the leader to project among his team members is be the best. So, pursuit of excellence should be something that team should follow. He follows this pursuit of excellence and then he percolates among his people. Now, second quality is integrity. What is integrity? Integrity is total honesty to whatever the leader says or does. There should be no makeup. Integrity, in fact, teaches you to admit your shortcomings. That leader must remember that he or she must admit the shortcomings. That is integrity, and they should work hard to improve. They should work hard to eradicate the deficiencies and move ahead, develop strength. Third quality of the leader is courage. Impeccable, unshakable courage. Courage should be visible in words as well as in actions. Not just words, also in actions. Incredible courage is required to follow whatever vision you have. To have a vision, but it's difficult to follow it, and the leader follows it. He honors his commitment or her commitment. Courage is also required to maintain integrity. Integrity is also a very important quality of the leader, and for maintaining integrity, courage is required. Next is, leader has to be realistic. Yes. Realistic means his feet should be on the ground. He should see the reality as it is. It is intellectual honesty. Seeing the world as it is, not as he or she wishes to be. Possibility. This perhaps is most difficult. Very few leaders can avoid responsibility, and yet it's the most important quality. Truman said, "The buck stops here." That is what the leader should always remember. The buck stops here. The leader cannot go. The leader cannot throw the blame on somebody else. Even if some team member has done, it is his responsibility and he should accept it openly. At times, great success and failure, they are separated by a small distance. Leader must remember that. All things lead to big victories, particularly in sports. And in fact, life today is also like sports. It's very competitive. As I said earlier, the small distance only establishes whether it is success or failure. So these are few of the points which I had regarding motivational leaders.